I'm going to read you a fun book. It says, Don't Push My Buttons. So look at that button. Should we push it? Do you want to push it? It makes me want to push it. Do you want to push my button? Hi, my name is Larry. This is Larry. Say hi, Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push my button. I know you want to push it. I know you do. Seriously, don't you even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we push the button. No. We mustn't do it. We can't. Psst. No one is looking. Is anyone looking? Nope. You should give the button just one little push. Should we give it one little push? Okay, get ready and try to push it. Can you do it? Oh! You pushed the button. Did you push the button? Oh, now I'm yellow. Ah! I'm yellow. Push it again. Push it again. See what happens. Push the button. I did it. Oh my gosh, you pushed my button. Oh my goodness, now I'm yellow polka dots. Maybe if you push it 2 times, twice. Can you push it twice and see? Let's see. Push it 2 times. See what happens. 2 times. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh my goodness, there are 2 of me now. There are 2 of me. Oh, push it, just like push it a bunch of times. If you push it a bunch of times, try it. Just push it a bunch of times. Push it. Help me. Push it. Push it. Oh, you're doing it. Good job. Good job. You push it a bunch of times. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. What happened? There's a lot of him now. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have an idea. Let's maybe if we shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Should we shake it? Let's shake it. And let's shake it really hard. Oh, is it going to get rid of them? Should we see? Almost. We're going to probably have to shake it a little bit more. Should we try it one more? Shake it a little bit more. Oh, okay. Oh, finally, look. Oh, okay. Here we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get rid of his spots and get him back to normal. So can you scratch it? Can you scratch his tummy? Should we scratch it? What's happening? Oh, we're scratching it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that tickles. Okay. Much better. Let's not push the button again. Let's not do it again, okay? Don't you push that button. Are you gonna push don't push the button. Don't you push the button. Don't push it. Oh. But it was kind of fun. Maybe just maybe just a couple more pushes. Should we see? Let's try it one more time. Just a couple more pushes, okay? Push it. Just a couple more times. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! It's fun to have lots of Larrys. The end.